Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to draw a cheese illustration in Adobe Illustrator using the pen tool. Don't forget to watch the video until the end and give it a like. Before we start, I want to thank each and every one of you who supports me on Patreon and YouTube. If you want to download the illustration we'll create completely for free, I will leave a link for you in the description. Click the link, enter 0 as the price on the right side of the page, and continue. On the next page, if you have another vector in your cart, remove it. On the right side, enter your email address and type 0 again below it. Then proceed. The download page will open. While downloading the vector, don't forget to rate it with a star on the left and leave a comment. Also, there will be a link to our Patreon account in the description. If you subscribe to any monthly plan there, you will not only support me, but also gain the right to download hundreds of premium contents, vectors, and icon sets for free.